I already filmed this yesterday with perfect blue sky. You know, cinematic nonsense. Got home, no audio. And today it's, well, I'm building 2 apps, which is remarkable because when I was a kid, technology meant a calculator that we mostly typed 58008 into, and then turned it upside down and giggled like school kids, which I guess we were. The internet didn't even exist in my world until I was in my 20s. Not slow internet, not bad Wi-Fi. Did not exist internet. Kids today hear that the way we hear stories about the plague. Back then, if you wanted to get online, you couldn't just tap a phone. There were no smartphones. You had to physically travel into the city to an office and fill out paperwork to get a modem. Then you'd go home and spend 3 days screaming at a beige plastic box while it made noises like a robot being strangled. That was normal. Everybody did it. My flatmate went in to sign up. They assigned you an email address in the process. So he tried to make mine Monkey Boy. It's from a Bloodhound Gang song. If you know, you know. But it was too many letters. So it became Monk Boy. 30 years later, that idiot administrative prank is still one of my online pseudonyms. Now look at me. I sit in an armchair paying one AI to give me instructions to another AI that helps me build apps, update, deploy, redeploy, spend mysterious things called credits. Credits, of course, because if they called it money, I might behave responsibly. Every 20 minutes a new version appears, then I criticize it immediately, which is the most human part of human intelligence. But the real superpower isn't AI. It's something I've had all along. Hyperfocus. Hey, I don't ask for much. Just a like and subscribe would be awesome. Peace. My therapist said something interesting recently. She said there are 2 kinds of kids in the classroom. The one running around bouncing off walls, and the one staring out the window. Inside me, both of them survived. One kid stares into space, bored, flat, unable to care about anything. And the other one, if something sparks interest, he grabs it by the throat and obsessively learns everything. That kid built 2 apps this month. The other kid forgot to put the washing on. I'm not officially diagnosed at this age. I'm more like heritage listed. But I don't need a certificate as much as I needed understanding. I wanted to hear from someone qualified that maybe I wasn't lazy, broken, inconsistent. Maybe I was wired differently. That's a kinder story, and possibly a truer one. Most people won't build an app, not because they can't. Most people just have healthier hobbies. But I've never been most people. They used to feel like failure. Now it feels like information. I'm finally learning what kind of people I am and how to build a life that fits the wiring. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm waiting for the focus group report. So I'm gonna crawl into a corner somewhere and disengage for a while.